Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so nothing interrupts the boot. First, make sure the battery is above 20% and remove an SD card if you rely on that for apps. Once done, back up any unsaved work. Safe mode disables third-party apps but doesn't erase personal data. Now press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds and select power off. You're not done yet. The next steps will perform a special restart to enter safe mode. You will perform the controlled restart that triggers safe mode. Press and hold power and volume down together. Don't release both when the Samsung logo appears. Instead, let go of power but keep pressing volume down. This tells the bootloader to disable third-party apps. Make sure to keep steady pressure. An early release cancels the process. After a full boot, check the lock screen lower left. You should see safe mode. If you do, third-party apps won't run until you exit. You've entered safe mode. Now finish or return to normal operation. To exit, simply restart. Press power and choose Restart or hold power until the phone reboots. If the device seems stuck in safe mode, force a reboot by holding power and volume down for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure to uninstall any app installed right before the issue began or reset app preferences in settings if safe mode keeps appearing. If problems continue, contact support or perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.